Hey stamping friends, come along and share DSP Sketch Project 28 with me. We're using inked botanicals for this project and pairing it with Calypso Coral as our card base. Here's a quick peek at how I cut up my DSP. So, with Kindest Expressions stamp set and the Calypso Coral ink, I stamped "Thanks so much" on the basic white cardstock. Then I'm going to die cut that sentiment with my Something Fancies die. So here are all our parts and pieces. If you want to get a PDF tutorial of the project, just sign up for my mini tutorials email. You know to start, we need to fold and crease our card with our bone folder. Now with liquid adhesive, we're going to add our 2 panels of DSP. I'm putting the larger section of DSP near the top of my card, about 1/8 of an inch stepped in from the edges. Then we position the reversed pattern on the bottom to pair it up to the top one. Then simply add a paper ribbon across the seam. Now add the sentiment tag with those dimensionals. To dress it up just a little, I used the iridescent pastel gems in the Calypso Coral color. So there we have it, card project number 28. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Use the link in my description to see my DSP Sketch Projects gallery and also where you can sign up for the mini tutorials. Remember, subscribe on YouTube and to my newsletter so you don't miss out on anything. Thanks everybody. We'll